How to delete your Reddit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you the processes on how you can delete your Reddit account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you have to understand that you will not be able to delete the Reddit app from your Android app or from your iOS app. Currently it is only possible to delete your Reddit account from your browser. So in order to do this, we're going to simply launch our browser, whether you're on Windows or Mac or whether you're using on iPhone or Android. Just open your browser and you want to go to reddit.com. Once you go to reddit.com, log into your Reddit account from the website. So I'll also go to reddit.com, and you can see in order to log in, what you have to do is tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and here you want to make sure to find the login option and then log into your account. Once you tap on the three lines over here, you want to look for the option that says Help Center, as you could see. So just go ahead and then tap on Help Center. As soon as you tap on the Help Center tab, you will see this help page over here. So what we will do is, in the search box, we will just type in delete account, and we will look for the article that says delete account. So just go ahead and search for it. Once you tap on delete account, you can see a list of search results. So tap on the one that says how do I delete my account. And as you tap on how do I delete my account, you can see, as I told you earlier, currently you can only delete your Reddit account by visiting Reddit on your computer's native web browser. So over here, what you can do is, on reddit.com, you have to visit your account settings. So tap on this little button over here that says account settings, and it's highlighted in brown color. So once you tap on account settings, you'll be taken to your account settings page of Reddit. And as you are on this page, here you have to scroll down to the bottom, and if you look closely, you'll find the option that says delete account, and on the right hand side also there's this trash icon at the bottom right. Just tap on the delete account button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just tap on the continue button. Now you might be feeling confused as to why there is deactivation and not deletion. So keep in mind that when you deactivate your Reddit account, if you don't log into, let's say, a week, or let's say 2 to 3 weeks, couple of weeks, and a period of a month, then you will not be able to gain access back into your Reddit account. Now once it sends an email, we will just go ahead and then open up our mailbox, and then we will check whether or not we have received a mail from Reddit. Once we receive the mail from Reddit, we have to simply confirm it and then confirm the deletion of our Reddit account, as you can see over here, and select the option that says delete account. And that's all it takes to delete your Reddit account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.